Let's do question 2. It says that, are we there? A body starts from rest. A body starts from rest and accelerates at 30 meters per second square. A body starts from rest and accelerates at 3 meters per second. What I call for you? 30? Sorry, it's 3. A body starts from rest and accelerates at 3 meters per second square for 4 seconds. Are we there? Its velocity remains constant. Its velocity remains constant at the maximum value reached. Its velocity remains constant at the maximum value reached for 7 seconds. For 7 seconds. Are we there? Comma. It finally comes to rest with uniform retardation. It finally comes to rest with what? Uniform retardation at another 5 seconds. At another 5 seconds. Are we there? Full stop. Draw the graph of the velocity time graph. That's question A per se. A. Draw the graph of the velocity time graph. B. Find the total distance moved during each of the stage of motion. Find the total distance moved during each stages of motion per se. Find total distance moved during each stage of motion. Are we there? Finally, the average velocity over the whole period. C. The average velocity over the whole period. Let's get this done, please. All right. Let's get this done, please. If I may ask you, let's get this done together, please. And you see the mistake you guys will make now. You guys will make one mistake. What's the mistake? Let me show you. We're gonna say what? What we know. What our first to do is what? Just draw out your what? Your graph first, Abby.
Yes.
This is what? V of x, Abby.
Yes.
Sorry, T of x. Yes, what? V of what? Meter per second, Abby.
Yes.
It says what? A body starts from rest. This is your rest, Abby.
Yes.
And accelerate, Abby. Abby?
Yes.
For what?
3 meters per second.
What will be here? 3, Abby?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, 3.
No, it's correct. No, normally. What do you initially? Here will be 3 normally, Abby.
Yes.
As I'm saying that the body at per second square, Abby.
Yes.
But mind this is what? A velocity against what? Time. And I'm giving what? 3 what? Meter per second. This is what? Acceleration. Convert to what? Velocity and put your answer here. See now? So that we know that A is what? V over T. Let's get V. That becomes V is what? A times T. Abby? What's now V? What's your A given? 3. And what's your T? What is time there?
4 seconds.
4 seconds times 4. What's now my V? 12 meter per second. So what's my V here? It will now be what? 12. So here is 12, Abby.
Yes.
12 like this, Abby.
Yes.
What next, please? It says
12.
it. Proceed.
Its velocity remains constant.
Its velocity remains what there?
Constant.
Constant, Abby.
Yes.
For what time there?
For 7 seconds.
7 seconds. 7 what there? Sorry, what is the time here?
4 seconds.
4, Abby.
Yes.
So what will be here?
7.
It's 7, Abby.
Yes.
But I'll add it to what? 4. Because of the 11. 11, Abby.
Yes.
What next there? It says comes to rest. Uniform retardation at what?
5 seconds.
So it comes to rest at what?
5 seconds.
I'll not put 5 here. Rather, I'll add 5 with what? 11. That's what there? 16, Abby.
Yes.
So 16. Yes. So that's it. This is a graph. That's all. So
Draw the graph.
what's question A?
Draw the graph.
That's the graph here.
Yes.
We're done.
Find the total distance.
B says what? Total distance, Abby.
Yes.
So for total distance, please, what will I do? We say when it comes to distance, it's like saying what, look for what area of what each section abi. How many sections do I have here? 3 abi. Call this one section A. Here B. Here's what C abi. Let's find distance. Finding distance at what? At section A abi. That's SA, right? Please, for your SA, observe please for your SA. What am I saying here? Triangle, abi. So I'll draw what I'm saying, right? What's the base here? 4. What's the height here? 12. So S of A now, because what there? Half times base times height. Half times, what's your base here? 4 abi. What's your height here? What's my answer here? 24 what there? Meters. That's your S of A distance. So S of A is what? 24. We are done. Let's get what? S of B and what? S of C and add them together to get the total what? Distance. Let's get S of C, please. Finding what, please? Distance at what? At S what there? SB. Please check. What am I seeing there? Rectangle, exactly. So I'm seeing rectangle. What's my length there? Yes, 12 abi.
Yes.
What will be here?
11.
No. We said here was 4 abi. Here was 7. But we added it with 4 to make 11.
7.
So let's subtract it from each other. So 11 plus 4 is what? 7. So here is 7. Right?
Yes.
Originally from the question is 7. Originally from the question is 11. But we literally add them up here. So what do you get here? So what S of B? S of B is what? Length times. Why? Okay, perhaps anyway I want to use it. Length times breadth or length times height. Anyway. So this is what area rectangle abi. What's your length there? 12 7 abi. What's my answer, please? 84 in what? In meters abi. I'm done with this abi. What next there? C abi. So finding what? Finding distance at what? SC. Please, for SC, what am I seeing there? What shape is there?
5.
Triangle abi.
Yes.
So I have a triangular stuff in nature. I'm having a triangular stuff this way abi.
Yes.
What will be here?
5.
Huh?
5.
5 abi.
Yes.
5. What will be here?
12.
12. So what I get? What's my S of C? Half times base times height. We said find distance is like look for what? The area of each section abi. So because what there? Half. What's my base there? 5 times. What's my height? 12. What's my answer here? 60 what? Meters. That's S of what? Question says what? Find what? Total. Huh? Yeah. 2 year what? 2 years is yes 30. Yes 30 what there? Meters abi. Question say find what? Total distance. So therefore total distance S of C is what? S of A plus what? X of B plus what? S of C. Abi?
Yes.
Peter, what do you have here? What's SA? 24 meters plus what's SB? 84. What's SC? 30. Please, what's my total distance? 138 abi. 138 meters. That's my total distance. Copy down. What's the last question there? Average what? No. There's still one more left.
During each state of motion, can I do average velocity? Okay, average velocity over the period.
What would that be? What would that be? Total distance over what? Total what?
Time.
What's my total distance there?
Total distance.
This one abi.
138.
Over what's the time there?
12. Oh, sorry, 16.
16. 16. 16. All right. I can clear this part.
Yeah.
I clear. Here was the first one, second, third, and fourth. Would you like clean? First one, Abi. Diagram, Abi. All right. So it says what? Find what? That's C, Abi. B. This is C, Abi, because C says what? Average. The what there? That's what? V of A, Abi, is what? Total distance, Abi. Displacement over what? Time, Abi. Basically, total displacement over total time, Abi. What was total displacement there? 138 over total time is what? 16, Abi. I think I clicked on the board, Abi. It was somewhere here. What's my answer here? So therefore, my average velocity is what? What do you have here? What's the calculator?
That's 8.6.
8 point what? 625 in what? Meter per second. So the average velocity covered through the whole period is what? 8.6 meters per second. 25 per se. That's correct, please. This is how I solve this particular problem. Let's do one last one and we're off. Let's do one last example and we're off, please.